Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? I'm good. Anyone absent today? Kenzo and Bimo. Where are them? Why? Sick? Bimo and Kenzo. Dimas Kenzo. Okay, what we learned in the previous meeting? Do you remember? No? Because of long holiday? Yes. Okay. But today we will have some quiz in the Kahoot. The material is about past simple and past continuous. But before this material, you will have 20 questions in Kahoot. So, take your phone. Now. Yes? What?
Nggak punya HP, Bu.
Where is your phone? Broken. Nih. Okay, then scan the barcode. Hurry up. The students are 24. 24. Yang nggak masuk? 2. So, 22 ya. Use your real name. Use your real name. 3 orang. Oh iya, Latifah. 21. Use your real name. Yes. Kenapa? Astagfirullahaladzim. Oke? Berapa ini? Loading. Fourteen. 15. 6 students left. 17. Jason, sudah belum? Aspa? Siapa lagi? 2 lagi? Asfa sama siapa? Nah, tinggal Asfa. Sudah belum, Pak? internetnya. Lama kali. Dah. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. I will show the question on your device, yeah, because the screen is not clear. Yes? What? Hah? Gak ada yang jawab. Okay, next dulu, next. Ada nih. Next. The connection is lost. Hafalin siapa? Right. Di ini dulu.
Kaki jangan dimatiin.
Enggak, dimatiin aja. Soalnya, nah kalau nggak nyalain. Next. Next. Sushi. Blah blah blah. A film when she hear the noise. Fatan. Next. B-nya diganti dengan apa? When I walk into the room, everyone yeah. He blah 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 in Russia when the revolution start. When the train go to the station, we remember the to be using in past. Ingat to be yang digunakan di past tense itu apa? Nah, to be-nya yang pakainya were, jadi tidak pakai are. On holiday, we visit Rome, the Vatican, and blah blah blah. A few days at the beach. Next. Why blah 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 on a chair when I come into the room? Okay, good. Did you stand? 20. For question left. Okay, next. Next. Okay, who is the winner? The third is Danes. The second is Noval, and the winner is Kinara. Give applause to Kinara. Yay. Okay. Are you confused? Yes. Sometimes. Okay. We are going talking about it. Keep your phone, simpen dulu HP-nya, nanti kita pakai lagi. Simpen di kalian aja. Tutup HP-nya. Tutup HP-nya. This one. Then on your book, it's page 78. Halaman 78. Halaman 78. About past continuous and past simple. Yang di box warna biru. Where is your book? Bukumu kemana? Hilang. Dijual. What did you say? Page 78. Akmal. 78. Hah? Okay, past continuous and past simple. Do you remember the formula of past simple? Nah. Bagaimana formulanya? Past simple dulu. Verb to subject plus verb to. Yang simple past tense rumusnya gimana? Kita ke simple past tense dulu. Verb to aja. Subject plus verb to. When do you use simple past tense? When activities that happen in the past. Ya. Simple past tense dulu. Formulanya adalah subject plus verb juga. To talking about activity that happen in the past. Contohnya. Apa? Satu kalimat. I ate apa dulu? Chicken. At 5 AM in this morning. Kan sudah terjadi ya? Oke, boleh. Nah, terus apa bedanya dengan past continuous? Sama-sama past, sama-sama terjadi di waktu lampau. We use past continuous to say something was in progress at previous moment. Bedanya ini, at a previous moment in the past. Jadi waktunya, nanti keterangan waktunya akan lebih di detail. I was sleeping at 9 PM. She wasn't running yesterday morning. Were they playing football 40 minutes ago? Nah, selanjutnya di sini, when do we use the past continuous and the past simple? We use the past simple for short or complete action, and the past continuous for a longer activity in progress at the same time. I twist my ankle while I was walking to school. She was sitting on the bus when it hit the car. We were carrying some new furniture into the house when Mom had her bag. Oke, agar lebih paham, analisis teks berikut. Find for short action and for longer activity in the text below. Nah, yang pertama adalah short action yang mana? Oke, good. Apalagi? Fell off, terus apa lagi? Apa sih? No. Ada 4. No. Short action itu tadi yang apa? Past simple apa past continuous? Past simple. Ya, terus apa lagi? 2 lagi. Feel off. Hah? No. 2 lagi apa? Ini? Verb to bukan verb 1? Boleh negatif. I didn't see. Nih. Ada I feel off, ada hit, didn't see, sama I flew. Kemudian yang longer activity, berarti yang past continuous itu berarti yang pakai verb ing. Yang mana aja? Ya, terus? Riding, raining, running, satu lagi? Lying. Oke. Nah, di sini yang pasti. Kalau di simple present, di present continuous, present itu to be-nya adalah is, am, sama are. Kalau di past continuous, to be-nya hanya ada dua. Apa aja? Was sama were. Gitu. Was digunakan untuk apa? I, he, she, it. Were digunakan untuk you, we, they. Begitu. Kemudian negatifnya tinggal ditambahin not, wasn't, atau kalau tidak disingkat was not, verb ing. Berarti kalau simple past kan verb 2. Kalau past continuous subject plus to be. To be-nya bisa was atau were plus verb ing. Ya, ini rumus dasarnya. Kamu pakai ini nanti sampai kamu SMA kan sama rumusnya, nggak akan berubah. Or when you in the college, kalian kuliah sama. Karena di semua jurusan nanti pasti ada bahasa Inggrisnya dan pasti akan belajar grammatical. Nah, time expression-nya at 3 o'clock this morning. At 5:15 last Saturday, 40 minutes ago. Oke, yang question tadi belum dibahas. Kalau question berarti to be-nya tinggal dipindah ke depan, sama seperti present continuous. Ya kan? Kalau present continuous di sini SMR kan? Kalau past berarti was atau were. Tergantung subjeknya apa. Verb ing, kemudian kata keterangannya atau objeknya. Nah, kalau ada kata tanyanya, berarti kata tanya dulu. Where was he going? Begitu. Ini rumus dasarnya. Nah, nanti bisa dibaca lagi di buku paketnya. Nah, kemudian di sini past simple or past continuous-nya. Ini mungkin tadi yang membuat bingung ya ketika kalian mengerjakan kuisnya. Rumusnya itu di sini. We usually use when before the past simple. When before the past simple. Maksudnya gimana? Nih, contohnya seperti ini. I broke my leg when I was playing football. I was playing football when I broke my leg. What were you doing when the accident happened? When the accident happened, what were you doing? Nah, berarti itu ada ketika di sininya sudah past continuous, pasti di sini past simple. Nah, tapi tadi ada yang dua-duanya past tense. Begitu bukan? Nah, itu kenapa? Yang dua-duanya jawabannya past tense. Yang dua-duanya jawabannya past tense. Contohnya. Contohnya yang mana? Yang tadi. Yang ini, misalkan yang ini. Kok gini? Kelihatan nggak? Ini. Nih, ini adalah dua-duanya past tense. Kenapa? On holiday we visit Rome, the Vatican, and a few days at beach. Iya kan? So sama spend. Di bahasa Inggris itu berlaku kesetaraan. Misalkan nih, visited kan sudah past tense. Berarti jawaban selanjutnya adalah yang pakai verb 2 juga gitu loh. Jadi kalau kalian ngerjain grammatical, even kamu nggak ngerti jawabannya, even kamu nggak ngerti artinya, tapi kamu ngerti formulanya, kamu bisa jawab. Kemudian ada lagi, nah ini ada when. Nah kalau seperti ini kan jelas. When I walk into the room, itu sudah past. Berarti yang jawabannya sana adalah past continuous. Ini kan udah past simple kan? When I walk itu verb 2. Past simple. Berarti sananya past continuous. Ada lagi tadi yang masih bingung? Ya? Yang ini misalkan Yang mana? Yang pertanyaan mana? Ini ada when-nya, Zi. Yang mana? Ini. Nah, kalau ini sebenarnya ada berapa kalimat? Ada 2 kalimat kan? Ada when-nya. Pokoknya kalau ada when atau while, itu misalkan sini sudah past simple, kalimat selanjutnya yang setelah koma adalah past continuous. Berbeda dengan yang tadi, yang Vatikan. Nah, ini nggak ada while-nya, nggak ada when-nya. Benar tidak? Nah, on holiday we visited Rome and then saw Vatican and spent a few days at beach. Ada lagi yang perlu dibahas dari soal tadi? Nah, mungkin ini. Ini kenapa? Ini kalimat pertanyaan. Nah, when I come itu nyambung. Kalau kalimat pertanyaan gitu. Why did you stand on a chair when I come into the room? Beda. Jadi kamu analisis itu kalimat pertanyaan bukan gitu. Ada lagi yang tadi past continuous semua. Nah, ini misalkan. What bla 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 at 10 p.m. last night it was really noisy. What are they doing? Begitu. Nah, ada penjelasan lagi di sini. Mungkin akan lebih paham. Ini move aja ya. Ini penjelasannya. Ini menggunakan bahasa Indonesia mungkin lebih mudah dipahami. Past simple digunakan untuk aksi yang selesai di masa lalu. Contoh, watch movie. Sedangkan past continuous digunakan untuk aksi yang sedang berlangsung pada waktu tertentu di masa lalu. Was watching a movie. Seringkali past continuous menggambarkan latar belakang aksi, sementara past simple adalah kejadian yang menyela aksi tersebut. Misalkan, I was sleeping when Dimas called me. Begitu. Perbedaannya di sini, fungsinya. Menyatakan tindakan atau aksi atau situasi yang sudah selesai di masa lalu. Kalau ini sedang berlangsung pada waktu tertentu di masa lalu. Ini subjek verb 2. Tadi ada regular, irregular ya, verb 2 itu. Subjek was, were, verb ing. Contoh kalimatnya, she called me yesterday. Me was studying, I was studying at 9 p.m. last night. Nah, kalau digunakan bersama, sering digunakan bersama untuk menunjukkan satu aksi sedang terjadi ketika aksi lain terjadi atau menyela. I was walking to school when it started to rain. Seperti itu. And then, perbedaannya, sini selesai. Ini sedang berlangsung. Hasil atau aksi, ini durasi. Yesterday, last week, ini lebih general ya. While, when, at yesterday. And then, contoh perbandingan. I read a book. I was reading a book. Pada waktu tertentu. I was sleeping when the phone rang. Nah, kemudian, any question so far? No? And then pay attention to your book. Tetap di halaman yang sama. 6.4 ya itu ya? 6.4 bukan? Ya. 6.6 ini tadi di 84. Mereka sudah sampai situ. 6.4. Then what? yang nomor 1 kita skip. Kita langsung ke nomor 5. Complete the dialogue with correct form of the verb in the break. Listen and check. Langsung ke nomor 5 ya. Are you ready? Ya. Apa?
What were you doing when the accident happened?
I was driving my kids to school. They were making a lot of noise, so I told them to be quiet. I wasn't looking at the road, and I drove into a tree. Fortunately, nobody was hurt.
Okay. Once more.
What were you doing when the accident happened?
I was driving my kids to school. They were making a lot of noise, so I told them to be quiet. I wasn't looking at the road, and I drove into a tree. Fortunately, nobody was hurt.
Sudah terjawab? Oke, number 1. What are you doing? Sudah ya. Number 2. Number 2. Happen. Tulisannya gimana? Oke. Happen. Tambahin ed. Number 3. Sebelum driving ada apanya? Was. I was driving. Number 4. They were making. Number 5. Told. Tulisannya TOLD. Number 6. Wasn't looking. Number 7. Oke, good. Oke, yang belum tadi silakan ditulis dulu. Yang salah dibenarkan. Ini.
I wasn't looking at the road.
Okay. The last activity before you use your happen again. Apa perintahnya? Watch 3 people talking about accident they had. Nah, tapi nggak usah di write down. Cukup perhatikan and then we will discuss together. Paham? Ya.
Describe an accident you had when you were younger. So when I was about 11, I was running up the stairs. I ran into my bedroom and I slightly misjudged the doorway. And my little toe and next little toe went either side of the door frame. Split like that. I broke both of those toes. And I got taken to accident emergency. And I sat there for maybe 3 hours. And then the doctor said, there's nothing we can do, so send me home.
It happened to me some time ago here in London. I'm this kind of person who's always running late, so I just walked around my house. I had to go to the tube station and it was raining. I was really in a rush and I fell down the stairs in the tube. I hurt my elbow, I hurt my arm, but I didn't really care about the pain. I was just really embarrassed because everyone saw that.
I remember when I was about 5 years old, it was a summer's day in my nan's back garden, and I was learning how to ride a bike. My nan had a thorn bush, and my mum and dad told me specifically not to go near the thorn bush. There's a set of steps next to it. I decided it'd be a good idea to not just go near the thorn bush, but cycle as fast as I could down the steps and straight into the thorn bush. I ended up full of cuts and bruises and had to go to hospital for it.
Oke, Noel. Apa? Insidennya apa? Yang pertama? Insidennya apa yang pertama? Kan 3 orang. Nggak kedengeran. Nggak kedengeran, kurang kencang. I forgot that today the bell is ringing fast, ya. Jadi mulai hari ini selesai jam terakhir itu jam 12.30. Ya. Biasanya 12.40. So we will continue tomorrow, but at your home, ya. Apa ini besok aja? Besok aja nggak apa-apa ya? Mau PR? Homework? No? Homework? Apa besok? Ya udah, besok latihannya yang materi hari ini. Homework. Nah, ini besok aja pakai HP-nya. Oke? Any questions so far? No? Okay, let's say hamdalah together. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.